Hello, Matt here from Nebraska with a car audio video. It's been some years since I made a video, so here, let me show you what I'm working with today. I have a 2008 Chevy Equinox, and what I wanted to do was replace the 8-inch subwoofer that they had in the back. Let me show you. Here's the panel that was over on this side right here. In order to get that out, you have to take off this piece on the lift gate. There's the lift gate. These right here, there's one, there's two, and they require a 40 Torx bit. Once you remove this, then you can take this panel off. I would start right here with the removal tool, and once you start it here, you can take off this whole entire piece in order to get to the subwoofer and the plastic speaker box. I recommend taking the speaker box out before replacing, and let me show you why. In order to take the subwoofer box out, you need a socket set or a wrench, 8mm and 10mm. There's 4 screws holding the box in this passenger compartment. 1, 2, 3, and there's 4. Let me show you the tools that you need. A socket set. Make sure you have an 8mm and a 10mm, a ratchet, and also a long-handled screwdriver, unless you have a longer extension than 4 inches. You also will need a trim remover kit like this. You need this tool right here for the clips, and then you also need one of these, and then you can get this panel off. As you can see, I had to invert my subwoofer because my motor structure was too large. This is a RE Audio RT Pro Series that I replaced with the Pioneer. Let me show you the Pioneer, as I totally destroyed it when I was taking it out. The reason why that speaker was destroyed is because these screws that go around the subwoofer, those 8 screws, leave them intact when taking your subwoofer out. On the back side of the speaker box, you will see the factory amp. Whoever said that the factory amp was underneath the passenger seat, I don't know what to tell that person. They were wrong. Once you get the box out, remove the factory amp, and then you will see this screw, which I believe is the 8mm. Once you take the 8mm screw out, the speaker will easily be removed, and you won't have to go through the trouble that I did smashing that other speaker that was the factory Pioneer. Anyways, it's time for me to put this panel back on, screw everything down, turn it on, and see if I have an improvement with the bass. Thank you. Enjoy your day.